Alright, so today we're going to look at oil for the past few weeks and the projected move based on a harmonic that was drawn, and also based on the actual order flow of the market. This was on May 11th, 2022, and it was projected to get up to this range around 121, 122, and then reject from that range. So that was my projection, and this was all the way in May. Right now we're on June 14th. So if we pull up the actual June 9th, the actual, when it finished doing the move from all the way down here, and it finished doing the move, it pretty much took an entire month, but it did exactly what was expected based on the measurements. This was a nice, I forgot what harmonic was, but this was a nice harmonic. I pretty much placed the name of the harmonic in the subject and description, but this was a nice harmonic, and it hit target clean. You see how it hit it, and if we pull up the charts now, see right now, you see where it's 121, 122 was the target. Pull up the charts, and right here 121 is where it tapped, and then it rejected. So that was a nice clean move. Now the way I really predicted or projected this move to happen, besides the harmonics and the measurements of the harmonics, which is clear. You see, you have the top retracement, and then you have the actual leg, and then the PRZ zone up here. Also, what's up here is the move coming down, the gap, and also, as you can see, this is why I always tell people to study market structure. Market structure is just simple. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to complicate things if you understand the basics, and if you understand the fundamentals and the foundation of trading, market structure. So as structure came down, as price came down and it went up, this high was created right here. Low, this low was still higher than this previous high. You could draw Fibonacci to really understand what was going to happen. And then this high was slightly higher than the previous high, and all it's doing now is coming back into zones as it built liquidity. So liquidity, build liquidity, snatch the orders, come down, up, snatch orders, come down, up, snatch orders, come down. And it's just been doing that because, as you know, we have nothing but, let me see if I can get a nice little icon for it. I don't see anything that I like, but let's use a flat. If we have stop losses up there, stop losses right here, stop losses here. So as it was going down, traders have their stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, and then boom, came up, took out these stops. You know what I'm saying? So now traders now have stop losses sitting up here, thinking it's gonna go down. Boom, took out these stops, came down, and it's basically rinse and repeat. Took out the stops, and then took out the stops up here, and there's also stops sitting up here. So coupled with harmonics, market structure, institutional order flow, whatever, smart money concepts, whatever you want to call it, I don't really care. I don't care for labels. But everything pretty much lined up. As you can see, every time it retraces in an order block, which is what's usually expected anyway. Every time it retraces, there was an order block there. Order block, order block, order block, order block, order block, order block. Even this, you may not see it there, but we trade all time frames. and I don't even have to look at it beforehand to know there's a nice little order block sitting in there. So nice little order block. So if we put this right here, nice little order block right there, put that right there, tap right on there, boom. So clean and easy move, simple move, nothing complicated. The harmonic, I think it was, this is a butterfly, so that was a butterfly harmonic. Nice setup, nice butterfly setup. Oh no, this is not a butterfly, my bad. Because the actual retracement starts from there, since these bottoms are equal. So let me see what this is. Let's see what's going on with this right here. Yeah, I don't want to confuse y'all, because this is all measurements for harmonics. But I'll get all the details. But the details are in the harmonic. If you don't know how to draw, or if you don't know how to trade harmonics, details are in the description with the harmonics course. But this is pretty much simple. All you have to do is keep it simple and be patient. Everything, the price always moves the same regardless of how you feel about it. It doesn't matter how you feel. That none of that matters. It's all that matters is how price moves and why it's doing what it's doing. So yeah, nice little setup for oil. Caught this nice move. I mean, I didn't catch it, but I know someone who did, who was trading oil in the group, and boom, nice. Like I said, the market is pretty much predictable if you know what to look for, and your projections will be clean if you know what to look for, and you focus on clarity. So yeah, if you want the course, if you want to learn how to trade, how I trade, or if you want to set up a one-on-one with me, to kind of go in detail on specific trade concepts, link is in the description, with various options for you. But like always, happy trading, y'all. Y'all be safe, be careful out there with these charts, because you know the market is not playing fair, and the market never plays fair. So yeah, y'all have a good one, and please subscribe.